Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of The Good, the Bad, the Spammy. I'm Rita, the Content Marketing Manager here at Mixmax, and I'm going to be critiquing an email that I received a few months ago, and it's actually one of the best emails I've ever gotten. Ever since I started working at Mixmax nearly 2 years ago, I've only responded to maybe 2 or 3 cold emails that I've received, and this is one of them. So I wanted to share it with you. There's very little that I would change about it. There's a few, Mixmax enhancements that could be used, email enhancements to make it a little bit better. But other than that, this is a pretty awesome email. And the way that I'm going to show you this is I'm going to show you the very first email that he sent me, my response to it, and then his response to that. And I put it in a doc just because it's easier to blur their names out and stuff. So let's dive right in. This is the first email that he sent. The subject line, video for Rita. So if I had one feedback to give, it would be to fix that subject line, because some people, it might turn them off. Video for Rita, like it could be anything. It's not very specific. It might not be relevant. Some people might just ignore it. I opened it, luckily, but yeah, so that's the only thing that I would say that needs a little bit of work. The rest, hey Rita, noticed a few mistakes in Mixmax's email marketing that is potentially hurting your conversion rate by 12%. Made you a quick 3-minute video covering how to fix these mistakes. May I send it to you? So this is a super short, super relevant email that I found extremely interesting. I'm like, noticed a few mistakes in Mixmax's email marketing. We send a lot of marketing emails. I would love to know what these mistakes are. Maybe I can fix them. It's hurting my conversion rate by 12%. He made a custom video for me, so I responded. So just FYI, this was 37 words, the first email that he sent me, which is amazing. So my response was just, hi, sure, send it over, thanks. And then he responded to that saying, hey Rita, appreciate the interest. Here's the video I filmed covering the improvements that could be made to your email marketing. Just click the thumbnail below. So he had a little thumbnail and a video popped up after I clicked it. If you found this valuable, open to a quick 12-minute chat this Friday or next Monday at Quebec time. So he's done his research. He knows that I live in Quebec. And then it says you can also book a meeting here. So he put his calendar link. And then there's a PS. Here's the document I covered in the video, in case I wanted to take like a closer look. So you can see here in the thumbnail that there's like a document that he's presenting of an email audit that he did for us. So this is a great follow-up email to my response. And now I'm just going to show you what I would change about these 2 emails. So if we go here into Gmail, so the first thing that I changed is a subject line. So instead of just video for Rita, maybe something more enticing would be Mixmax mistakes. So if I see that, or, anybody else sees that there's something to do with like mistakes for their company, they might be more willing to open that email to see, oh, hey, like what mistakes, So I kept the opener the same. The first line is the same. So I had to obviously reply to the email and write out my response. Yes, I'm interested, like send me the video. Instead of that, with Mixmax, what's really cool is you could just do a / here. You write poll, open this up, you put your question directly in here. Can I send you a 3-minute video on how to fix them, how to fix those mistakes? Option 1 would be, sure, go ahead. No thanks. Keep it simple. Insert, and this is how it would look once it's sent to me. All I would have to do is choose one of these and it would automatically reply to the email. So it's one click, super easy. So for his follow-up email, I'll show you what I would change there. So I kept everything the same. The one thing that I wanted to show you guys is, so you know how he says, if you found this valuable, open to a quick 12-minute chat this Friday or next Monday at Quebec time. You can also book a meeting here, and he put a full link to his calendar. With Mixmax, what you can do is you can do / availability. And when you click that, it opens up your calendar. And you can basically choose times that you're free. So let's say like that. I'll go to the next week as well. Okay. And then you can choose, like a video conferencing thing, like let's say Google Meet. You can change the title of the meeting, insert times. So this is what it would look like to the person that's receiving it. And all they would have to do, so there's no back and forth for scheduling that meeting. So they would just need to click show me times I'm free. And then basically it would compare these times that the sender sent with your own calendar times that you're free. And it would show you when's the best time to book that meeting. And then you just click, one click, and the meeting is booked. So these are two really, really cool email enhancements that Mixmax offers. And that's it. The rest of the email would keep the same. So again, this outreach was fantastic. This was a cold email that got me to respond. Super engaging, very short, to the point. Overall, amazing email. If you like this, go ahead and like the video, write your own comments. If you disagree with stuff I said or if you agree, please leave comments below. And we'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye.